Thank you for joining us in learning how to complete the PA-1000 Schedule E for the Property Tax Rent Rebate Program. This schedule is to be filed by property owners and renters who used a portion of their home for purposes other than their personal residence. Examples of this include renting a part of your home or using part of your home for operating a business. If a portion of the home was used for business purposes, the applicant must include copies of either a Federal Form 1040 Schedule C or a PA-40 Schedule C, or a Federal Form 1040 Schedule F or a PA-40 Schedule F. In addition, if the applicant's property exceeds 75 acres, they must provide proof that the additional land is necessary for personal use. Otherwise, the portion of land considered as the applicant's home will be prorated. If a portion of the home was used as a rental property, to verify this income, the applicant must include copies of either a Federal Form 1040 Schedule E or a PA-40 Schedule E, or a Federal Form Schedule K-1, a PA-RK-1, or a PA-NRK-1. A rental property does not merely include the renting of an apartment. It also includes the renting of any room, such as a boarding house, storage area, or garage. We will begin by listing your name and Social Security number on the form. Please note, if you choose to handwrite the information on this form, please make sure that you legibly print and that you use either blue or black ink so that our machines can scan the form properly. On line 1, enter the total amount of property taxes or rent paid from line 8 of the Schedule RC for the entire application year. If the PA-1000 Schedule A, B, or D were required to be completed, enter the eligible property tax or rent from that schedule. On line 2, enter the percentage of the home used as personal living quarters, including those used by other household members. You may enter the decimal equivalent or a percentage. Do not include any portion of the property that is used as a business. Then on line 3, multiply line 1 by line 2 to determine the amount of taxes or rent that will be considered for the applicant's eligibility for a rebate. If this is being used to determine the eligible property tax, enter this amount on line 14 of the PA-1000 application form. If this is being used to determine eligible rent, enter this figure on line 16 of the PA-1000 application form. If the applicant has to fill out a PA-1000 Schedule F, enter this amount on line 1 of that schedule. Did you know you can file your property tax rent rebate application and all related schedules online at no cost using mypath.pa.gov? Need help? Check out our easy-to-follow Revenue 411 videos to guide you through the process step by step. No paper, no math. Use MyPath. It's fast, secure, and you'll receive instant confirmation that your application has been submitted. No guessing, no mailing delay.